If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your PS5 is connected to the internet. You can do this by going to Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection. If the connection is weak or unstable, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, System Software, System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software to download and install any available updates. Step 3. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any outages or maintenance affecting multiplayer services. If there are issues reported, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 4. Adjust NAT type. Your NAT type can affect your ability to connect to multiplayer games. Go to Settings, Network, View Connection Status to check your NAT type. If it is Type 3, consider enabling UPnP on your router or setting up port forwarding to improve connectivity. Step 5. Restart your console. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in and power it on. This can refresh the system and resolve temporary glitches. If the problem persists after following these steps, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.